Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with accounts ready. Log into Ecwid and Google Sites. Once signed in, open your Ecwid control panel and copy the store embed snippet or the Buy Now widget. Make sure your Ecwid store settings, currency, shipping, taxes are set before embedding. Then switch to Google Sites, pick the target page, and select Insert right arrow embed. Paste the code in the HTML box so the page reserves space for the store. Don't publish yet. Now that the code is placed, you'll refine layout and functionality. In Google Sites, resize the embed frame, set responsive options, and align it with surrounding sections. Switch back to Ecwid to confirm product visibility, categories, shipping profiles, and payment gateways. Changes propagate to the embed. Once done, preview the Google site on desktop and mobile to test Add to Cart, Cart View, and Checkout. Make incremental adjustments to height and alignment so nothing is clipped. Publish the Google site and run a live purchase test as your final step. Verify checkout, email receipts, and order appearance in Ecwid. If the store doesn't appear, first clear browser cache and confirm Ecwid's publish status. Sometimes the widget needs a minute to update. If issues persist, open the browser console for script errors, ensure third-party scripts are allowed, and confirm your site uses HTTPS. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.